block high-risk orders on your Shopify store, you can take a few strategic steps to help prevent fraud and reduce chargebacks. Here's how. Use Shopify's built-in fraud analysis. Shopify provides a fraud analysis feature that assesses orders for potential fraud risk. When an order is placed, you will see a fraud analysis section in the order details. Shopify flags orders as high risk, medium risk, or low risk based on several factors, such as mismatched billing and shipping addresses or suspicious payment behavior. You can manually review these orders and cancel or block high-risk ones. Install fraud prevention apps. Shopify offers apps that specialize in fraud prevention. Apps like Signified, No Fraud, or Fraud Filter help analyze orders in real time. These tools use machine learning and advanced algorithms to identify high-risk orders, giving you the option to block or review them. Customize Shopify's payment settings. You can set your store to reject high-risk orders by adjusting your payment gateway settings. For example, with Shopify Payments, you can limit payments based on address verification or require CVV codes for card payments, which helps reduce fraud. Implement manual review. You can manually review orders flagged as high risk. If unsure about the legitimacy, you can ask the customer for additional verification or choose to cancel the order before processing it.